Can you solve this puzzle in less than 10 seconds? The question is, I am a number. Double me and add 12, and you get 36. What number am I? Pause the video and try it yourself. Let's solve it step by step. We don't know the number, so let's call it x. The question says, double me and add 12, and you get 36. Double the number means 2x. Add 12. 2x plus 12. And the result is 36. 2x plus 12 equals 36. Now subtract 12 from both sides. 2x equals 24. Next, divide both sides by 2. X equals 12. So the mystery number is 12. Did you get 12 on your first try? Comment your answer below and challenge your friends with this puzzle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick math challenges.